like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turning.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing y'all how I got this super quick, easy, and bomb.com crochet hairstyle. As you guys know, I use Trendy Tresses, y'all. I love this company for my crochet needs. I've featured them several times on my channel since I started my YouTube channel, and they never miss. So this is their Serene Curls. It's in 12 inches, even though I did have to snip a little bit, you know, to shape it up. And it's also in the color number 2. So if you guys are interested in this hair, definitely check my description box. I'll have all the details down below. So if you guys want to see how I got this super cute rod set without the hassle, definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, so my hair is freshly washed. I washed it last night, and now I'm gonna just add a little bit of moisture to my hair. So I'm gonna add the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream to my hair, and then I'm also going to be adding my special blend of oils. This is like the DIY rosemary oil that I made on the channel, and then I added amla oil to it. So that's what this is. Alright y'all, so for my braid pattern, I think I'm just going to be doing straight backs. I like to keep it pretty easy. And I'm going to braid it just a little bit down, not all the way, because I'm going to be attaching this braid to the next braid. So I'm going to do a really small braid right here, just so that when I do my crochet hair, if I want to do the middle part, like there's not like a really wide space there. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you all my braiding pattern. So this is how it looks. As I mentioned, I have 6 big braids going to the back, but I do want to do a middle part and also a side part with the crochet. So because I don't want it to be so spaced out, because like if you look over here, like if I was wearing my part over here, if I add the crochet hair right here and also here, there's this big space. So I didn't want that. So because I'm going to be wearing my parts on this side and the middle part, have 2 smaller parts going in between these bigger braids, just so that when I attach the hair, it's not a very wide gap and it'll look a lot more natural. So this is how it looks. Turn to the back so you guys can see. So I am going to just add some oil to my scalp. As I mentioned before, this is the rosemary oil that I made on the channel, and then off camera I added some amla oil to it. And then I'm going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to pull this hair through. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using the Serene Curls hair from Trendy Tresses. Y'all, this hair is so beautiful. It's in the number 2 and it's 12 inches long. I've used this hair before and I literally had to run it back because it's just so gorgeous, you guys. So yeah, this is the hair that I'll be crocheting today. I'm going for kind of like a rod set type of look, you know, something just cute, easy for the week, and I think it's going to turn out amazing. Look at this hair, y'all. Woo, I can't wait to install it. It's a very soft, and it's a really nice and full bundle. And for this, I think I'm going to do a couple knots. There you go. So pretty. I'm also not going to put them too close together. So pretty much like a finger apart. Because once you separate the hair, like you're going to get like a ton of body and a ton of volume. Alright y'all, so I've used almost 1 pack of hair and I'm already done with like half of it. This is how it looks. And right now I am at the small braids in the middle. So as I told you guys, for this part of my hair, I didn't really separate the hair as I went along. I just kind of installed them as is. But for this little section right here, I did separate the hair. So this is how it looks like once it's separated, very thin. Because I don't want this part to look bulky. This is a really, really small, thin piece. So I'm going to install it right here. And I'm also going to be doing like the invisible part method. So I'm going to insert it, pull it through. But instead of putting both through the loop, I'm only going to put one side through the loop. And we'll twist it. And there it goes. So this is my little part for the middle. See how nice that looks? Boom. So I'm going to keep doing that. And pull it to this side. Alright guys, so I'm almost done. I still have to go in, cut it up, shape it up, all that good stuff. But I'm going to be working on the last 2 braids right here. So as you guys know, I'm going to go in with a very, very thin piece of hair. And then I'm going to get to crocheting. Pull it through, and then I'm only going to be pulling one side through the loop. Alright guys, so I'm done installing the hair. Now it's time for me to cut it, you know, style it up, make it look amazing. I love it so far. It's nice and full. I only used a little bit under 2 packs of hair, y'all. So this hair goes a long way. If you don't want it as full as mine, maybe you can get away with only using 1 pack. I use 2 packs because y'all already know I am here for the volume, okay? So I'm gonna shape it up. Alright y'all, so I think I like this shape. Yeah, I think I like this shape. A lot of volume. And as y'all know, you know, when you sleep on it and things like that, it goes down a little bit, which is why I like to start off with a lot of volume, because I know as the days progress, it's gonna like fall. So yeah, y'all, it is looking pretty cute. Let me see. So now I'm gonna do my edges. So I'm gonna do my edges, y'all. So I'm gonna be going in with the Even 24-Hour Edge Tamer. This is my favorite edge control out right now. This is a new container that I just bought because the other one that I had is done. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give your girl a thumbs up. Show me some love in the comments section as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling this look. Also y'all, if you're interested in this hair, definitely check my description box. All the details for this hair will be down below. As always, I love you guys and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.